What is a stake in betting? Meaning and how it works. A stake is the amount you put at risk, and that makes it one of the most important betting terms. The meaning of a stake becomes clearer when it is separated from odds, payout, bankroll, and the amount a bettor is actually risking. The stake is the money exposed to loss. A stake is the amount of money placed on a bet, but the meaning becomes more serious when you look at it from the risk side. The stake comes before the dream of the payout. Most betting screens are designed to make the possible return easy to see, but the responsible way to read a bet starts in the opposite direction: how the stake fits into a bet. A bet usually has several parts, and the stake is the amount of money risked. A stake, bet, and wager are not always used the same way. People often use the words stake, bet, and wager as if they are identical. That distinction helps because it keeps the focus where it should be, not only on what the person predicted, but on how much they put at risk. Odds change the return, not the fact that money is at risk. The same stake can produce different possible returns depending on the odds. Low odds may make a bet feel safer, but more likely does not mean guaranteed. Total return can make the result look bigger than it is. Another point beginners often miss is the difference between total return and profit. If those numbers are not clear, the bet is not fully understood. Why stake size changes the experience. A stake is not just a calculation. It can change how a person feels while watching the event. Small stakes can still become a large loss. A small stake can look harmless by itself. That is why tracking only one bet is not enough. Fixed stakes and changing stakes. Some people use fixed stakes, meaning they risk the same amount each time. The risky part is not only whether the stake changes. Stakes work differently across bet type. The stake can feel different depending on the type of bet. The stake may be small, but the bet can still be difficult to win because several conditions must happen. When a stake may be returned. There are situations where a stake may be returned. A beginner should not believe the stake will come back unless the terms clearly say so. Stake limits are not just for beginners. Stake limits can be useful because they create boundaries before emotion takes over. A limit set calmly is different from a decision made during pressure. Legality and age rules matter. Betting laws depend on location. A website or app appearing online does not automatically mean it is legal or safe in a specific place. When the stake becomes a warning sign, the stake can become a warning sign when it starts changing behavior. Feeling anxious when not betting? The simplest way to understand a stake. A stake is the amount of money risked on a bet. If that amount cannot be lost safely, the bet should not be placed.